will sing of your salvation. In you, O Lord, I take refuge. Let me never be put to shame. In your justice, rescue me and deliver me. Incline your ear to me and save me. I will sing of your salvation. Be my rock of refuge, a stronghold to give me safety. For you are my rock and my fortress. Oh my God, rescue me from the hand of the wicked. I will sing of your salvation, for you are my hope, oh Lord, my trust, oh God, from my youth. On you I depend from birth, from my mother's womb. You are my strength. I will sing of your salvation. My mouth shall declare your justice, day by day your salvation. Oh God, you have taught me from my youth until the present. I proclaim your wondrous